We all know and believe in the powerful properties of tomatoes, and there are many reasons why they are considered to be superfoods. However, to examine all their beneficial effects, experts from the University of Taiwan decided to conduct an experiment. They gathered together women of different ages, weight and origin, and gave them 1 glass of tomato juice, 250 milliliters, every day for 2 months. The first evident change was significant weight loss, which happened due to fat deposit removal from the body, not fluids, as experts explained. Scientists who conducted the experiment revealed that the women who took part in this experiment did not change their eating habits or workout routines, but the results were visible in only a few days. Moreover, these women had their blood drawn at the beginning and the end of the experiment, and according to scientists' claims, the results were significantly reduced cholesterol levels, along with increased levels of lycopene, an antioxidant in tomatoes, which offers a number of health benefits. The results of this experiment showed much more than anyone expected, namely, tomato offers numerous benefits for our health. A single glass of tomato juice every day strengthens your immune system, protects against heart disease, but also reduces the risk of developing cancer. In addition, this refreshing beverage prevents bladder, pancreas, liver and lung diseases, helps with indigestion, prevents fluid retention and improves overall health. Tomato juice significantly reduces the cough, prevents anemia, relieves rheumatic symptoms and improves the blood count. Furthermore, it is great for your skin and a radiant complexion. Moreover, tomato contains potassium, calcium, vegetable proteins and carbohydrates, as well as the essential vitamin C. It is also a great natural remedy for muscle spasms, because it is rich in magnesium, 11 milligrams per 100 grams. So, if you had a strenuous workout, drink some tomato juice, and your muscle pain will disappear. Ingredients: 6 kilos of tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of salt, 4 tablespoons of sugar. Preparation: remove the stems and first wash the tomatoes in cold water, and then cut and grind them. Add the salt and sugar, and let it cook, but stir frequently to prevent burning. After it boils, cook for 10 more minutes, and stir all the time. The hot cooked tomato juice should be put into a sterilized glass bottle, and closed tightly. When cooled, store the bottles in a cool place. This homemade tomato juice will undoubtedly change the way you look and feel. Nevertheless, if you opt for buying your tomato juice, make sure it is organic, as the effects won't be full.